bayanga oyen ocean an mangoya bay naman moilan asadong la chinese yuputo bangau yelak pa China tamnang tiabu taida mangobu kia KSU woiba woinyu alanglan oyen ocean payangonang naman solak chinese nyuiching mayeta mangonang chungmelam dengan naman pay shubuna mengama volunteers lan kaya namnowa naman da tambu nyuiching ma solak chinese yelak pa China tamnang anyu hakiamu akung moilan chinese nyuiching yong maya etta tamongonang naman asadong wanda volunteers lan da tong yanga yui da et pu nyuiching ma may solak chinese yupudo bangau yelak pa China tamnang
Yusuf hayong kanduitay ulang sangkan sinyaw yang li yen nyechun sengsak yoyong unyukai tani kawang ba sipsiya kada yisay sangtoy yang bumulak wangai amay kainatan yuwan ba sipsiya tangsina yung pangtuloy mangmayha pangtuloy mangmayha haja kotu tali matat wang beng KSU wangai amay kainatan tanit mga Jubilee payway puta pangnok ya punay wahaoy alam hau tamba mincheng mo chutay maham konjong maman apu hankong mga hamong lomjungba oglak na jisi hanga laye kay se ya pay hanggaye kanyong mong mga tatay anang man pang ma Konyak wan kon mong ma so ang ngama nyui bu lung hai ang hamai man ngipai wan awang na apoy area student union mapu mong mai langwan hem ngau pang na lang na hung chai pha hami apu apa chin konyak wang nyak yatu sau mango chaye wong chon bu nok anaw su ngam kani tawai Yusuf hayong kanduitay ulang sangpan sinyaw yang li yen yechun sengsap nyoyong unyukay tani kawang pa sipsiya kada yisay sangtoy yang bumulak wangai amay painatan yungwan ba sipsiya hangsin na yung bu pangtuloy mangmayha pangtuloy mangmayha haja kotu tali matat wang beng KSU ku tanit mga Jubilee payway puta pangnok ya punay wahao alam hau tamba mincheng mo chutay maham konjong maman apu hankong nanga hamong lom jingma oklak na jesi phanga laye kai se ya pe hanggaye kanyong mong menga tatay anang man phangma konyak chilalan manayang soongama waleng maye jingyunang nang yaha jamjong upay nao to lammen khawya na kushoy away le saifa KSU ma haja khotu tali matat mawanga tani chainaw nuklem manpa naw nguye yak chailay ma tuichong namnoa pai hulan kunyak seng chama hen lai chama sop pukie wa kunyak chawan min khawna hem ngau epa chai balan kawang moiman pusoi
A journey through time. In twilight's haze, the path ahead absurd, we wander through the realms of destiny, our forebears toiling through the ages, enduring moments of triumph and despair. For on this journey, some days wore the face of doom, while others dance with the joy of purest bliss. Yet ever onward we march undeterred, our spirits aflame, never to tire. Yearning to embrace change, we sacrifice. As bearers of the light, we strive. Unseen struggles, the efforts of our souls, nurturing the fertile soil where Konyak seeds thrive. As we tread upon this monumental milestone, a platinum jubilee, we ponder. Who among us has traversed the distance from humble beginning to heights unknown? How joyous would our founding members be in heavenly realms where selflessness resides, gazing upon the legacy they left behind, their hearts swell with pride. A journey through time, we forge ahead as days unfold and nights descend. With strength and vigor, we walk this path. Now is the hour to seize the present. Let this jubilee be a renaissance, an awakening of mind, a beacon of knowledge. O gracious Lord, bestow upon my people the wisdom to rise, to strive, to flourish.
Moilanda anmay. Tuman moilana yoputan bu adoba taidam ayong tiamuanga kawanga moimana tamu chinesa tuman moilana kawang de yilakpa menyong paha. Konyak angdak angyong lungmay naha woinyu woibalan yang tia chumdabu konyak pangnyuha oyen ocean adoba nyuijing adoba taidam umlak chinesa paidege moilanda chubli manma poniyabu yilakpa China tamnang. We want to welcome each and everyone and all the invitees. We're glad you are here with us this evening. Konyak Students Union 75 Platinum Jubilee 1948 to 2023. A Kengyu, a journey through time. Kema Paibu Hipak. December 12, 13 and 14, 2023. Tiamuanga, local ground, Montown Hagachama Painang. Konyak Chine, Twilinga, Soshana Paibu, Winyu Wipa Alanglan, Take the way Yi Lo Buffet. Sha Soshana Twilinga Ngobu, Iman Punia Buffet. Hayangang Wiglak, Konyak, Chilalan, Chachonga, Tailak Chinese, Moilana Tiamuanga Hadoba Taidam, a Kumdung Wisha. Umha Ocean Nan Pengbu, Yang Mongmei Bungofi Lakpado, China Tamnang.
Jubilee Patron, Konyak Legislature's Land. Jubilee Guest, Yin Chengpa, Pache Nifirio, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Nagaland. Yin Yi Pa Yin Yi Nyu, Nyuma S. Pangnon Konyak, Honorable Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Pache P. Paiwang, Honorable Minister, Government of Nagaland. Pache C.L. John, Honorable Minister, Government of Nagaland. Yin Ponpa, Pache Ching Ang Konyak, Honorable Advisor, Government of Nagaland. Pache Gabriel D. Wangsu, Honorable MLA, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Special guest, Pache Ajit Kumar Verma, IAS, DC Mon. Pache Yangbao Konyak, IPS. Chainao Chingmak Chang, President ENSF. Pache Chen O, President KSU Myanmar. Pache Bhaskar Borgohain, Joint Secretary ATASU. Chainao Danpe Pom, President PSC. Chainao Lanutoshi Iyer, President AKM. Konyaw Pa, Reverend L. Maching, CES KBBB. Reverend Dr. Pongshen Konyak. Special invitees Lan, Chang Wedoshi Setsang, Kim Yungan Students Union, POM Students Conference, Tikhir Students Union, United Sanctum Students Conference, Yim Kyung Akiru Arihako, Monainting and Tingya Students Union.
Jubilee Anbon Taidam, Ni, December 12, 2023. Yenyiba, Taman by Pajay CL John, Honorable Minister, Forest and Environment, Climate Change and Village Cards, Government of Nagaland. Konyak, Reverend L. Machan, Church and Evangelism Secretary, KBBB. Ngaumuk, A Journey Through Time, Kema Paipu Hipak. Tiabu Taidam Woibuni, Chainau A. Konang Pangmay, Yangan Yanau B. Wanchin Konyak.
Awang pa taidam wang atalek chine, Jubilee Anpon taidam, Mon Area Students Union. Numan akong de hepak epatam na.
The Konyak Students Union, which today has reached the milestone of Platinum Jubilee, was incepted in the year 1948. The union, since its inception and formation, has gone through its share of ups and downs to achieve this landmark under the leadership of its dynamic leaders. And over the years, some of its leaders have left for their heavenly abode, while some still breathe under God's loving grace. Today, as we celebrate its 75th Platinum Jubilee, we pay our homage and honor to those dead and the living souls of our dynamic leaders. The union, while in its existence as an apex body, has had 30 presidents over 42 tenures. They are: the very first tenure was from the year 1948 to 1949 with Mr. Late L. Hankong of Tamlo Village as its president. The second was from the year 1950 to 1952 with Mr. Late Ngampa of Tamlo Village as its president. The third was in the year 1953 with Mr. Late Ngampa of Tamlo Village again as its president. The fourth, the fifth, and the sixth was in the year 1954, 1955, and 1956, respectively, with Mr. Late L. Mankup of Tamlo Village as its president. The seventh was from the year 1957 to 1958 with Mr. Late Sangyo of Wakching Village as its president. The eighth was from the year 1959 to 1960 with Mr. Late L. Mankup of Tamlo Village again as its president. The ninth was in the year 1961 with Mr. Tanglong Yanlam of Tamlo Village as its president. The 10th was in the year 1962 with Mr. Late Tapyan of Kong-an Village as its president. The 11th was in the year 1963 with Mr. Late Xiaopa of Wakching Village as its president. The 12th, the 13th, and the 14th was in the year 1964, 1965, and 1966, respectively, with Mr. Tanglong Yanlam of Tamlo Village again as its president. The 15th was in the year 1967 with Mr. Saiching of Wakching Village as its president. The 16th and the 17th was in the year 1968 and 1969 respectively with Mr. N. Chingwang of Sheong Village as its president. The 18th was in the year 1970 with Mr. Led Y. Chengi of Wakching Village as its president. The 19th was in the year 1971 with Mr. A. Shangkem of Wanching Village as its president. The 20th was in the year 1972 with Mr. Led Y. Chinge of Wakching Village again as its president. The 21st, the 22nd, and the 23rd was in the year 1973, 1974, and 1975 respectively with Mr. Led H. Bongteng of Damlo Village as its president. And it was during his presidency that KSU celebrated its Silver Jubilee in the year 1973. The 24th was from the year 1976 to 1978 with Mr. Led Mantok of Damlo Village as its president. The 25th was in the year 1979 with Mr. B. Tawang of Bongkong Village as its president. The 26th was in the year 1980 with Mr. Led Shakli of Pasau Village as its president. The 27th was from the year 1981 to 1983 with Mr. Ting Ye of Uting Village as its president. The 28th was from the year 1984 to 1986 with Mr. W. Wang Yu of Chen Wet New Village as its president. The 29th was from the year 1987 to 1989 with Mr. C. John of Lengha Village as its president. The 30th was from the year 1990 to 1992 with Mr. W. Wei Kong of Bongkong Village as its president. The 31st was in the year 1993 with Mr. Led Si Man Kai of Chi Village as its president. The 32nd was from the year 1994 to 1995 with Mr. S. Manlip of Chauha Chingnu Village as its president. The 33rd was from the year 1996 to 1998 with Mr. S. Manlip of Chauha Chingnu Village again as its president. And it was in his presidency that KSU celebrated its Golden Jubilee in the year 1998. The 34th was from the year 1999 to 2001 with Mr. M. Manlem of Chanlui So Village as its president. The 35th was from the year 2002 to 2003 with Mr. Mosa of Shangnu Village as its president. The 36th was from the year 2004 to 2005 with Mr. P. Engmong of Angpang Village as its president. The 37th was from the year 2005 to 2008 with Mr. K. Manpong of Totok Chinko Village as its president. The 38th was from the year 2008 to 2011 with Mr. T. Konyak of Lapa Village as its president. The 39th was from the year 2011 to 2013 with Engineer Matna of Tanhai Village as its president. The 40th was from the year 2013 to 2018 with Mr. Long Ai Wang Nao of Lenghao Village as its president. The 41st was from the year 2018 to 2021 with Mr. Bumang Paiba of Monyaksu Village as its president. The 42nd and the current is from the year 2021 to 2024 with Mr. T. Noklem Konyak of Longting Village as its president. And today, it's under Mr. T. Noklem's presidency that we are celebrating its 75th Platinum Jubilee. The Union indeed journeyed through time with those able, dynamic leaders encompassing 10 subordinating units, namely Tizit Area Students Union, the P Area Students Union, Mon Area Students Union, Wakching Area Students Union, Chen Area Students Union, Aboy Area Students Union, Longchang Area Students Union, Konyak Area Students Union. Hong Kong Area Students Union. And Tobu Area Students Union. The Konyak Students Union, with these 10 subordinating units, aim to preserve the rich culture and tradition of the community while supporting the great education.
To the dark, hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. I'm gonna send a flag, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown him out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.
Si may yaw ma buhay, wang hay ngui buhay, anyay na tayo daw buhi bakjana, tayo dam epatambu akong Mon Area Students Union Landa, yung mong may yanang minyong pabungaw lan China tam nang. Saa, KSU kaipong honglak hipak. Mui landa, cha ma yui switching bu cha ma yong lak china sa nan piang nang. I would like to request each and every one of us to kindly stay on our feet for the KSU anthem. Program copy ma awang pa page ma, yak nong ikaw ma, KSU ang jong hem. In the program copy, in the first page, left hand, there is KSU ang jong hem. I give the time to children's choir for the ang jong hem. Mulan Sudha. Thank you, Children's Choir, for presenting KSU anthem so beautifully. Nyue palan anyo instructor Moilando yung minyong panang. Thank you.
Sa teman pai Reverend T Honlong ida yublak chine sebak epatam nang.
Yup sauma tawa kawang ngau akan nyimabu agi enang tat ngau pan mapeli telem mapeli. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 34. Khắc subua chat cha no enang haboi enua chat hali mong meng na tamnang. Anio awang ba Thessaloni Apong nga aleng pan matat ma semalam bima menyong fatau semalam bima menyong fatau hangjing na Noman jing ne Krista Chisuma tau ba kawang mongbu ngonang. Atau ma teman tui wang semalam be kawang da panwa yublak tau wei jam sen sa atau ma memento hai souvenir platinum jubilee souvenir atau jing ne so yup kai si bu jing ne sa atau chao tama tahu teman bayi yupui bagia kanan. Haleluya, haleluya. Katok wangdang, kada nyuha, catali sailing bu, acau ba ayen kawang. Nang tumanda, hadau ayen yang hepak. Mohe mana tambu jing nasa nang dayalak pa menyong bu fa boy. Katok nyuma, catali, kada nyuha mangok bu yoma. Acau wawang dang ayen kawang tuman konyak cataliyo. Nanga moye mana nanga lamboya tuman abu aba iman hibak mamu. Kawang nanga liya nanga pawutik paibu catnyu jang onang sa nang sipsi ayong tinyi hadawa hibak tengoya nanga lamboya paibu ngiwanda nang dah yelak pemenyong bu fa boy. Acau ayen kawang 1948 ma hadawa KSU akung wang yang tuman show bungo ba jailan iman hibak pai shua kawang tuman chatali kemlak jingna jonglak jingna sa hadawa akung wang yang kem pai bu tinyi hadawa wang bang tinyit mengangoya platinum jubilee jemwanda acawa yen kawang nang tuman da pawutik lammoya mohiman pai bu jingna nang da minyong bu fa boy tau bai jam se tiamo wanga hadau ba nyui jing ma hadau jubilee dai dam ya Taiwan da hangi leng lakai hangi ngau lakai semalam bima nang engan wong nang sipsi nang moheman tuman bai o mengokai anyai na se wang bang tinyin mengangoi bu hadau jubilee ma ajau ba yen kawang hadau ba KSU kem bai bu hangi ba souvenir Pungau nyan bulai anio hadau ma mai dam ya tuileng sau sana pai bu kat alanda nokwa uba menyong ambai yilo phalak jing na sa hangi ba memendo lengengoy abai hadau seyo jawa kawang tumana nang men ma jawa dam nang hadau ma souvenir menyanyang obu hadau iwanda ngoi lana nang mabu mohe mantaulak yang anyai na sa jongbu phainau lana acawa ayen kawang tuman catali hangga kemapai tuman apu yaman tuman apa yaman tuman show mubulan hangga kemapai iman bai nang hangku omongo hadau singa wangdang kawang jongbu konyak phainaulan jelnalan hadau tuman dalam moya mohiman pai bu kawang hadau mubuyan yedai ba hadau kawang dan yamali bu bai tuman catali ca jong dailak jingna kawang nang anyai mohiman tamba anio hadau lai de yang hadau wa memendo kawang nang chao tamba sa nang yak ta fan ba boy tia tau ba hibak ma wang tai dam li ya ni ocean anio tai dam ocean ya lagai hatau li ma anio katalan ocean yu de nying tam bu ya phan ma mai dam ya lagai hatau khong gum bu kai nang mukti siwa tam lak chathali sipasa tam lak yang tuman pa ma tai kan bu cha de isi bu cha de sip si bu kawang hayam lan lia hatau anyai ata tangai lak chin sa nang moheman nang lamboi bu tuman bai ngogayo sa tuman yanyi ba Jisu Krista men ma wang dang chawa yan ka wang di yopoi oba taulan ase nang mongai yo amen.
Taidama monghama pabukia yupufai wangway tambuchinesa Reverend Ilakpa na menyong fanang nang ayen hayang atuisyo da kawang Ilakpa muiman pa. China dambung aucha samu wanga Federating Units lana yuye maidam souvenir counter mawang yabok laksa China tamnang. President Konyak Students Union China T Noklem Konyak ida anpun ngau ilak chinesa sha ipak epatam nang.
Mulande anmai Wangshim pai de butuman pai Teyang butaidam yak chong bani 75 Platinum Jubilee Planning Convener Avoibu Committee Members Lan Yi inona angbu siyanga ishibu teman pai Konyak Students Union Former Presidents Lan Executives Lan teman pai yi inona angbu ishi debu teman pai Yin pa Pai JCL John, Honorable Minister. Teman pai mungmengau ilak cingna. Teman pai bu teman pai Honorable MLA. Pai J Mankau. Pai J Ajit Kumar Varma, Deputy Commissioner Mon. Pai J B Thawang Konyak, retired IAS. Pai Chai Cheno, President KSU Myanmar. Pai Chai Reverend L. Metchan, Speaker. Teman Pai Ishi Debu Teman Pai Honorable Advisor Sir Chingang. KSU Advisory Board Members Reverend T. Honlong. Participants Chinyu Chingha Mebu Delegates Lan Subordinates President of Woy Paibu Leaders Lan Awangna hibak amai Shinga ayanamai chingna Kawangna minyong bu panang Shinga moilana Doba hibak amai Adoba taidum Ya awalak chingna Yopa tanbukia Temanda ayanamai Shinga hibak amai Padambu Lingba kawangda Teman moilana Minyong bupa 1948 mewanga Tanyi tungoi sa Kawanga semal lampi teman Temoy manyangki Saat tungoi sa lamwoi payangki Kawangda teman moilana Minyong bupa Planning minma Sijanga Konyak Students Union Executive minma Aushin awian adoba taidam me omlak china pai oktiki numan moilanda numanda poneyabu minyong bu phabu sinyanga mongmaibu hadau chain tamnang hadoba yapan ngiyok lak china yonga sangyak mongko bu pai toiling sausana paibu teman pai former leaders lan numanda anyai minyong bu panang numanda yi nonang sinyanga toba taidam me numan the pone yanang tàu bát tai đâm xem bây giờ mà tâm lạc chính đó ông bát tai đâm mà nhịp bukia tụi man phải yên nhị ba by J.C.L. John Honorable Minister Sir nang đeo yong mong mai nang ada bát tai đâm mà xem bây giờ mà tâm lạc chính đó nang bay okpu nang đeo yong mong mai bu ada chai đâm nang xin tụi man phải by J. Man Khao Honorable MLA teman pe allow invitees, special invitees, aushin auyan, naman paibu da pona yabu hadau chain tamnang. Teman mong mai bue, naman da pona yabu, siang naman isibu, naman da jinga hingau yak chai phalak chinda temong onang thau chinda. Teman pai tayambu, yenyi pa. By J.C.L. John Honorable Minister Sir nang chingmai lamlinga nang sot punyoy chama yong lak chingda hadaw yob tonang Taman Pai by J. Man Khao Honorable MLA, Konyak Students Union ma Finance Secretary, Executive Finance Secretary na tuiling Paibu Taman Pai Honorable MLA, tani nang Honorable MLA na meng yang dawa taitam ma Latinum Jubilee ma nang okpu na nang tayo mong may bu adaw chaitam nang siyang nang o chama ado hingau ya lak china nang ngok bu sot pu nhoi ching bacham yong lak china ning Taman Pai Taya Konyak Pa Reverend L. Metchen Chama Yong Lak Chingna Tonang I, on behalf of myself and the planning committee and on behalf of the community, would like to extend our warm welcome to our Deputy Commissioner. Thank you, sir, for your valuable presence this very evening. May I request you to kindly stand on your feet and receive our token. Teman Pai by J.B. Thawang Konyak, Teman Pai Taya Mongmengau Ilak Pa 18 KSU President Sernango Chama Yong Lak Chingna Goptonang. Teman Pai Pai Cheno, President Konyak Students Union Myanmar, teman Bama Yikengo Yaboy, teman Chatik Cha, Chahinau, Mayi Cha,